In this video, I will show you how to count cells that contain specific text in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here, in this Excel sheet, I have some cells containing data. Now, I want to count the cells containing the text cat. To count the cells containing specific text, we can use the COUNTIF function. The COUNTIF function returns the number of cells in a range that match the given criteria. Let's type an equal sign to start the formula. Now type COUNTIF followed by an opening bracket. Select the range of the cells as the first argument. Now type cat in the double quotes as the second criteria argument. Type the closing bracket and hit the enter key to complete the formula. As you can see, we now have the count of cells containing specific text cat. This formula returned count of the cells containing the exact text cat only. If you want the count of cells containing the substring anywhere in the cell, you can use the asterisk wildcard character. For example, the star cat criteria will return the count of the cells ending with the text cat. Similarly, the cat star criteria will return the count of the cells starting with the text cat. And the star cat star criteria will return the count of the cells containing the specific text cat anywhere in the cell content. The COUNTIF formula we used here is not case sensitive, meaning it will return the count of the cells containing the text by ignoring the case of the text. For example, this formula contains the text in uppercase and all the cells in the given range has the text in lowercase. But the formula still returned the count of the 6 cells. We can also use the sum product function to count the cells containing the specific text. Here is the formula to do that. The search function returns the position of the substring within the string. If the substring is not found, it returns a value error. This part of the formula searches the specific text within the cells of the given range. It returns an array of 5 elements containing 1, 1, 3, 5 and value error. The first 4 numbers are the positions of the cat text within the respective cells, while the last value error means that the specific text was not found in the 5th cell. The isNumber function returns true if the argument is a valid numeric value. It returns false otherwise. Since the first 4 values of the array contain valid numbers, this part of the formula will return an array of true, 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 true and false. For the sum product function to work, we need to convert these true and false values to 1 and 0 respectively. We can do that by applying the double negative minus minus. After applying the double negative, we get an array of 1, 1, 1 and 0. Finally, the sum product function sums up the array elements and the result is 4. As you can see, we now have the count of the cells containing specific text. The search function is also not case sensitive, as we can see from the result. It matched the uppercase substring with the upper, lower and mixed case cell contents. To make it case sensitive, we can use the find function instead of the search function. The find function also returns the position of the search substring within the string, but it is case sensitive unlike the search function. Let's modify the formula to replace the search function with the find function. As you can see, this time the count returned by the formula also took the text case into account. Watch these videos to learn more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.